Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see here, I'm creating a table for student names and marks. So as you see here, you can just insert a new student, for example Ange Karim, like this one, Ange Karim, with marks like 77%, like this one. Do you see? But now, as you can see, this table is not attractive and professional one, so I'm going to show you how you can use this fill color icon or tool so that you can make it attractive. So without spending more time, let me show you step by step how you can use it. Yes, first step, what you should do first of all is just to select this row containing this column's name. For example, this one, then you select from here to here and make sure that is selected, right? Like this one. Then what you need to do is just to click on this fill color icon. You click on this drop down so that you can get more options where you can select the best color you want to use. For example, I can just use this one. See how it looks like? You can use this one, you select the best one, right? But for us, let us just use like this one. I think this is very clear and attractive, so you click on that, and as you see, is now looking amazing. So thank you so much. This is how you can create your table as a professional one. So see you in the next lesson.